it's in the middle of the night. I can't really sleep as per usual. I just felt the need to talk, and I've been thinking a lot about you lately. I mean, I'm always thinking about you. I just guess more than usual lately. It's crazy. I am an idiot, I know. It's just that the more successful I get and the more compliments I get, I'm like becoming this Instagram celebrity type of famous person that inspires so many people, and so many people are messaging me constantly, like how like compliments all of the time, and the more I get them, the more like the worse I feel, because it feels fake, because I'm inspiring people and at the same time I'm so sad inside, and empty, and I'm presenting this happy face to the world. And it doesn't matter how many compliments I get, when there is this one person that I just can't get out of my head and my heart. To that one person, my love is just an inconvenience. It's just he would prefer if I don't love him. He wishes I didn't love him. So I don't know, I'm probably not gonna send this, but it's just that it's been almost a year since we talked, and the truth is I can't talk to you. It's just too painful. It's just too... I can't. Whenever I talk to you, something comes up, and then I spend like days crying after that, and I can't really let that happen anymore. So I don't really want to get a response to this. I just had these things that wanted to get out of my chest, and I don't know why I still feel like this. I swear I don't know, and I am scared. I am terrified, in fact, by these feelings, and that's why I freak out sometimes, and that's why I'm turning into a crazy person, because I freak out. I just can't explain to myself what's going on. I don't know. I don't even know what. I hope that everything is fine with you, and I don't know even what's going on with you and in your life, and maybe you're married already, and like you have a baby on the way or something. But to be honest, I don't think I'm strong enough to find out something like that, so it's better to not know. I'm an idiot, I know. I'm a crazy fucking idiot. Anyways, I don't expect and I don't want you to reply to this. I just